Hi everyone, this was one of the last projects I was involved with on council. This is our panel board, which explains Clarenville's history, and you'll see there's two sides to it. We got the part that's facing water, and you can go around here, and more. So you can see here from the panel that we've got a bunch of things that we talk about: Clarenville's origins, and again the basic settlement, Scholar John Tilley, founder, forestry industry and how it grew Clarenville, and the railway, the importance of the railway, particularly the Brown Adventure branch line. You also see along here, we have a timeline. On this side here, you'll see about shipbuilding, the cable landing, the downtown business district, Clarenville's modern history, and a little piece on Clarenville's almost first female mayor, Dorothy Drover. So make sure you take the opportunity to come down to the waterfront. It's not exactly finished yet. There are more things to be done. But over the course of the next little while, I'm sure the town's public works department will get it all straightened away. And when it's all straightened away, make sure you come down and see for yourself. In the meantime, you can take a look at the details of the slides on my webpage. I'll point you to it in the directions.